Heal the world, make it better place for you and for me and the entire race. There are ways to get there if you care enough for living. Make a better place for you and for me. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. My name is Siti Annisa. I am the LSPR Communications and Business Institute Indonesia student under the supervision of Sir Charles Bonar Sirait as my mentor and my lecturer. I am here today to talk to you about what is climate change, which is very important for a sustainable world. Climate change is a long-term change in the average weather patterns that have come to define our local, regional, and global climates. So basically, weather change. Climate change has occurred many times in Earth history. However, the change in the global temperature and weather patterns seen today are caused by human activities. Scientists explain that climate change is currently linked to the emissions of greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide and methane. These gases are effective in trapping heat from sunlight near the Earth's surface, such as the glass walls of greenhouses that store heat. Small changes in greenhouse gases can add up to large change on a global scale. If you're asking, where is this climate change? Well, this one is obvious. In my Indonesia, your country, in other words, in our world. When is this climate change happen? It all started about 2 decades ago, long before the eyes of the international public were on the issues of global warming. At the time, to be precise, in 1985, the United States was in uproar when news circulated that a hole was found in the ozone layer in Antarctica. Several scientific research on global warming, which previously was only a pile of paper, began to be reviewed. And climate change will last forever if we as humankind spoil the nature more day by day. How is this climate change happen? Simple example that these harmful gases are destroying the ozone layer. Because of the holes in the ozone layer, there will be more sun rays that are coming to Earth. And when that happens, like now, right now, Earth will begin to heat up. That's why ices in North and South Poles are melting. Some effects and predictions of climate change in Indonesia, based on research notes in the Journal of Geophysical Research, Atmospheres by researchers namely Russo S. and Dozio A. Quote from Compass.com, Indonesia will experience more than 3 times the extreme heat wave conditions between 2020 and 2052. Then between 2068 and 2100, there will be an extreme heat wave that will happen every 2 years. This heat wave will have an intensity equal or greater than the 2010 when an extreme heat wave took place in Russia and killed 55,000 people.
Doctors in Moscow say the smoky haze that pervades the city is having dire health effects. This lung specialist says the number of strokes and asthma attacks are up 50%, heart attacks are up 30%, deaths are also up dramatically.
The risk of drought will also increase due to the climate change. The regions of South Kalimantan and Northern Sumatra in 2071 2100 will be around 20 to 30% drier, Meanwhile, the Java regions and the southern part of Sumatra became 30 to 40% drier that year. So we, as individuals, what can we do in facing of a climate emergency? 1. Travel green. 2. Conserve energy. 3. Reduce waste. 4. Use clean energy. And 5. Conserve water. And 6. Plant a tree. As we bring our climate change issues in Indonesia as a part of important sustainable world issues, I would like to thank you for your attention and hope that these sharing sessions give all of you a clear understanding on climate change issues in my country. If you need any further and detailed information regarding the issues, please kindly text in the comment column below this video. Have a great sustainable world. Thank you.